Greetings, everybody. This is Love, and I'm checking in with you today because I would like to talk to you more about the Yoni Detox Pearls. Now, the Yoni Detox Pearls has been a big question about how to use Yoni Detox Pearls, what not to do, and so on. There's so many questions. So I felt like I needed to make a video for those of you who need to have and hear how to use the Yoni Detox Pearls. Now, first, what you're gonna wanna do, okay, because this is not just a process that you're just gonna do and then forget, but we wanna make it very intentional, okay? So, what you're going to need is a journal, okay? You're gonna need a journal. And then, of course, the Yoni Detox Pearls. What you're gonna wanna do, okay, when you receive your Yoni Detox Pearls for the first time, you're going to write in your journal, okay? You're going to write inside of your journal the intentions of the reason why you're using those Yoni Detox Pearls, whether it's a breakup, whether it is, because you may have reoccurring BV or yeast infection, or maybe, endometriosis, PCOS, fibroids, cysts, whatever it is, you're going to write intentionally what you want to happen for the use of those Yoni Detox Pearls. You will get 3 of them in a package, okay, just like this, okay. You'll get 3, and then you'll open the package up, okay. So I already pre-opened this one. You're going to take out the Yoni Detox Pearl, okay, after you've written all your intentions about what you want the Yoni Detox Pearls to do for you. You're going to unravel the Yoni Detox Pearl. It has a small little string that sticks out on the base. Okay, so you'll see like a little string right here at the bottom. I don't know if you see that, but there's a little string that is right there. So then you pull that string, okay? You unravel that string. See if we can get this here. My nails is kind of long. There we go. Oh my gosh, look at that. All right, so you unravel it, okay? Be careful not to tear the sterile gauze from the herbal tampon, which is your Yoni Detox Pearl. All right, and then you're going to roll the string on your finger, okay, like so. So you're gonna make sure that the herbal tampon is at the base of your index finger so that you can insert it into the vagina. You can insert it into the vagina by either laying down on your bed or squatting and then inserting, or with one leg up on the toilet or the shower, the tub or the sink or the chair, whatever. Okay, and then you're going to insert it into the vagina. Once you insert it, make sure it's not at the opening of the vagina, because if it is, when you go to use the bathroom and you wipe, it will fall out. So you have to make sure when you insert it that it's pushed far in the vaginal canal, close to the cervix, as close as you can get, deep inside, okay? And you're gonna hold the first Yoni Detox Pearl in the vagina. Make sure the string is hanging out, and that'll be for 24 hours. When 24 hours is over, okay, you discard the herbal tampon. You either flush it in the toilet or you throw it in the garbage and you get rid of it. On day 1, when you pull that Yoni Detox Pearl out, you might find a little bit of white stuff around the herbal tampon, and that's fine. Okay, just go ahead and move on to the next 2 herbal tampons the herbal detox tampons that you have. You're going to unravel them both. Okay, you'll have 2. You're going to unravel them both. Okay, here is 2 unraveled. And then you're going to also bring them together like so. And then you're going to wrap it around your finger twice or as many times as you need to get a good secure grip. And then you're going to insert them both into the vagina. Okay, so here's a little string to hold in your hand right here. And then you're going to use this here method, okay, to put into the vagina both at the same time. Of course, before you do this process, make sure your hands are clean, as I didn't mention that at the beginning, but make sure your hands and your fingernails are clean because you are inserting your finger into your vagina. So you're going to insert both of these Yoni Detox Pearls into your vagina at the same time. Again, make sure that it's close to the cervix as possible, like close as it can be. Make sure they're not hanging out of the vagina because they are at the opening of the vagina because they can fall out. The only thing you need to make sure of is that the strings are hanging out. All right, so those two herbal tampons would need to be in there for 48 hours. That's right, 2 days, 48 hours. Once it's done, you take it out and you discard. Put it in the trash or put it in the toilet and flush it. Now, you're going to be experiencing some cramping, possibly, maybe some irritation, and these things are normal as the herbs are working to do its duty, okay? The herbs that are inside the herbal tampon are working to help remove the toxins, help remove old tissue cells, and also to help remove mucus, old blood clots on the lining of the uterus, and help to shrink fibroids, helping to shrink cysts, and just helping you get a whole new lining, like a rebirth of your uterus and your vagina at the same time. If you are experiencing any type of itching while the Yoni Detox Pearls are in or after the Yoni Detox Pearls have been taken out, you can use coconut oil to help, on the outer part of your vagina, on your labia. You can help soothe that itching feeling with coconut oil. If you are experiencing where you need to take them out immediately because maybe you're cramping really bad, and that's okay because the herb, like I said, the herbs are working for you. If you find that you may be allergic, you're having an allergic reaction, please remove the herbal tampons immediately and consult with your doctor. Make sure you go to see your doctor if you feel that you're having an allergic reaction to the herbal tampons. Also, you want to make sure you're drinking lots of water because your body needs that water to hydrate because you're putting herbal tampons inside of the uterus that is helping your uterus to remove toxins. And when you're removing toxins from the body, you need to hydrate as much as possible. You want to make sure also that you're intaking an alkaline-based diet or lifestyle of foods so that your body can go ahead and push those impurities out. You want to also make sure you're not having any sex because it is a very toxic, like you're releasing toxins, and it's very toxic if you have sex with your partner and they could possibly get a urinary tract infection or get a STD if you have one or not. You want to make sure you're not doing this while you're pregnant, and do not do this if you have an IUD. That is very important because you can dislodge your IUD, or you can it can get loose and just, come out. So you don't want to use this while you have an IUD or if you are pregnant. Moving on, the Yoni Detox Pearls are an amazing thing to have a great experience of removing and releasing anything from your body or helping you to heal in your womb. And it is also good for just renewing the spirit. Important factor: do not put your finger inside of your vagina and pull out the old tissue cells, because the tissue cells are going to purge out by itself. Do not remove it, okay? I know you're feeling a little bit like tired, or you might feel horny, you might want to have sex now, or it's just that time, you're going on a date, whatever it is. Don't do that, because the old tissue cells have to purge itself out by itself. If you go in and you remove those old tissue cells, you can cause micro tears in your vaginal canal by ripping out the old tissue cells as the new tissue cells generate underneath. So, like I mentioned, it's like a rebirth of your lining, like a new lining is being created underneath the old tissue cells. So you do not want to go in with your finger while you're washing, taking a shower, while you're using the bathroom or whatever. Do not do that, because you need to allow for yourself to purge naturally. You may pass a purging process that will be a little bit, but do allow for yourself to it's going to take about 9 days total. So you're going to allow for yourself to have those 9 days to make sure nothing else comes out. Okay? Allow for your body to purge. Be patient with yourself. That's what this journey is all about. Okay? It's allowing for you to release and renew, and for you to be able to have that time for yourself. Okay? So remember your intentions, being patient with yourself, because this is a process that takes its time. The process is going to take somewhere in between 7 to 9 days tops. For some women, it might be 14 days, but for most women that have experience using the Yoni Detox Pearls, it is about 7 to 9 days. But I repeat, do not put your finger inside of your vagina, taking out of the white cells that when you wipe and it's on the tissue. Don't go inside your vagina and pull that out, okay? Because you want to make sure your vagina doesn't have any micro tears. You don't want to get an infection. You don't want to cause anything to happen to your vagina, okay? Love your vagina. Let it be a happy, healthy vagina, and let it purge what it needs to purge. So if you have any other additional questions on the Yoni Detox Pearls, or what they may have inside, you can always check out our website. It's located on our website, on the product, the Yoni Detox Pearls, to see what's inside of those Yoni Detox Pearls. Well, there you have it. This is Love, and I'm going to go ahead and sign out. But if you have, like I said, if you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to contact Love and Peace Wellness, or don't hesitate to email us at loveandpeacewellness.com, or check out our social media and send us a DM, whichever is your preference. All right, everybody, this is Love signing out. You have a good day, and may the divine carry you gracefully on your journey. Be well.